Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make buta to satsumaimo no miso ni. It's pork and sweet potato braised in miso. Today I'm using very thinly sliced pork rib, but you can do this with chunky pork or even chicken. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this buta to satsumaimo no miso ni, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Satsumaimo, Japanese sweet potato, and thinly sliced pork. These are both about 400 grams. 2 tablespoons each of miso, sugar, mirin, and sake. 1 teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and some ginger. As I said, I'm using very thinly sliced pork rib today, but you can use pork or chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. As always, let's do all the cutting first. So sweet potato. I'm using it with the skin on to enjoy this beautiful purple color, so I washed it really well. Cut both ends off. Let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. And release it in cold water, just a plain water, to stop browning. And ginger. I'm going to grate it with the skin on, so again, I washed it really well. I'm doing about a tablespoon, but if you like ginger, you can do more. Heat a frying pan over medium-high heat and let's cook the pork. Today it's pork rib, so I'm not using any oil, but if you're using other part of pork or chicken, you may need a little oil. When the pork is almost cooked, drain the sweet potato and add it to the frying pan. Now, sweet potato is coated with the fat from the pork. Let's add hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and some water, a little over 1 cup. Put the lid on, turn the heat to medium-low and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes as you mix it from time to time. Cook for 5 minutes, so let's give it a mix. Back on and let's cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until the sweet potatoes are completely cooked. In the meantime, let's make the miso seasoning. You just need to mix everything. 2 tablespoons each of miso, sugar, sake, and mirin, and about a tablespoon of grated ginger. Give it a mix. And the miso seasoning is ready. By mixing it in advance like this, you don't have to worry about having chunk of miso in the dish. It's been cooked for about 12 minutes, so let's see if the sweet potato is cooked. Put the toothpick It can go through easily, that means it's cooked. Let's add the miso seasoning. Give it a mix. Keep cooking for another 5 minutes or so with the lid off this time to cook down the sauce. This is optional, but I have some frozen green beans in the fridge, so let's add it too. You can use bell pepper cut into strips instead. Now, the broth is cooked down to half. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the plate here. And Butato Satsumaimo no Misoni is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Sweet potato is so fluffy inside. Itadakimasu. The sweet salty miso seasoning is perfect match for the sweet potato and pork. I've been making this dish over 10 years. I'm never bored. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Butato Satsumaimo no Misoni is main, so it goes here. Wakame gohan or plain rice here, and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about bell pepper kimpira for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.